CRZ violation. This license is there of GCZMA on 28/12/2015. This house number 57, and that license NGT had given a stay order on 28/2/2015. February 2015, the NGT has given a state not to permit anything. Now Mr. Lotlikar and Mr. Munoz have done a illegality here by taking this permission, and GCZMA has been managed and these permissions have been taken. Further to this, we have made a complaint to the GCZMA, NGT and all, that in Nerul, same thing has been done by Mr. Manish Munoz, using the clout of a spokesperson, and this everything is done by one Mr. Suraj Lotlikar, who is his authorized representative, who belongs to the Goa Forward Party. Now Goa Forward, that time TCP permissions, all these permissions were given by Vijay Sardesai, and GCZMA has written in the Nerul thing that all these are frauds, and even the photographs are frauds, and it is on the affirmance. Affirmentos cannot be sold actually, but still in Nerul property, Manish Munoz has taken and sold this. Manish Munoz has taken this affirmance property. Now there are so many. I think Dharwadkar has sold this property. That in the same GCZMA permission, it was noted that no ex post facto permissions is to be given. But all the ex post permission of all the hotels were cancelled. Only Manish Munoz, because of Mr. Manohar Parrikar and Vijay Sardesai, was given this permission in Nerul. You can check. Ex post facto permissions are not given, and NGT is objecting on giving anything, and it has been stayed by the Honorable High Court. So this type of people who are coming here and taking permission, Goans cannot get a single permission, and Manish Munoz through Mr. Suraj Lotlikar of Goa Forward is getting all the permissions in 2015 till today. So this should be, we are already now approaching the NGT in both the matters. We have made a complaint to GCZMA also. So this should be stopped. And in a heritage, see this heritage committee, they have not done any homework, and they have been with pressurized, they have passed this project. This road, which is the road in CRZ3 road, after the road, in CRZ2 only after the road permissions can be given, but in CRZ3 no permissions can be given, and there is a special written by the GCZMA that no outsider, only the fishermen and the local community can be given this permission. Still they were pressurized to give this permission. So people of Goa should protest against this type of things. On a special, one party gets everything and others don't get anything. If you are a powerful person, you get this permission, all permissions, after writing objections to everyone.